What got you filming, buddy? What's got you reaching, dude? Did something piss you off? It better when I coop soon. This place it does the breakfast. You need some thicker skin. Cause if you're angry now, imagine how you're feeling. You check your bedroom and it's grabbing the snakes. Kinger, when every step you take a fistful of breaks. When even she doesn't only guessing the sound. You want to determine who even did the clown. Don't you have any of the written training in yourself and doesn't need more torturing people? Now, get your KingToy, get a little playboy. So you're not down to clown and I will never get me down. I'm your KingToy, have a little playboy. I'd say I'm sorry, but it's nothing kind of funny. KingToy, 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 King. But please give me a second, so let me get this straight. The invisible things that's a solution to our fate. Wait, sir, her out. Got nothing here but time. Just listen on the way, save us and we're going to miss a sign. We ain't at the answer, hint what a show. We're breaking numbers that we doesn't but know. And as you're tricking on your side of the screen, I think your brain is giving out on your being. What is it? Are you crying from the job on the side? Can handles night will come and looking for the disabled. Good luck with Nadia. I'm giving full the news with the end of the end of circus. When you place your hand this way, just my luck and gonna curse this. I wanna smile and kiss you mine. Then like I say my sign. King, I think your stupid boombox is busted. Get your KingToy, get a little playboy. So you're not down to clown and I'm already get you down. I'm your KingToy, have a little playboy. I'd say I'm sorry, but it's nothing kind of funny. KingToy, KingToy, yeah, that's me. KingToy, I keep your company. KingToy, KingToy, King for me. KingToy, KingToy, KingToy.